Hello and welcome to the maiden episode of The Word this week. Johnny wanted a raise in his pocket money. His mother said, "No way. Schools are shut and your canteen is at home now." But the little boy who wanted to shop online was upset and persistent. So he began drafting an invoice for his mother. And the list read, "Mom, for sanitizing groceries, 1,000 rupees. For folding washed clothes, 1,000 rupees. For helping with online transactions, 1,000 rupees. For tidying the cupboard, 1,000 rupees. And for giving you a foot massage, 1,000 rupees. Grand total, 5,000 rupees. No GST. Love, Johnny." His mother read that bill and with tears trickling down her cheeks, turned that piece of paper over and replied to her darling son. The reply read, "My dearest Johnny, for the months of labor I experienced to give birth to you, no charge. For the sleepless nights to feed you when you were a baby, no charge. For taking the crowded metro and 2 buses to reach my office wearing a double mask and handling a double shift at work to pay your tuition fees and to buy you that PlayStation, no charge. For breaking a fixed deposit to buy a laptop for your online classes, no charge. For cooking your favorite chicken pasta, mutton biryani and fish fingers, although I am a vegetarian, no charge. For waking up early, sleeping late, reading your bedtime stories, even with a splitting headache, no charge. Grand total, no charge. With my GST, gentle, soft touch, Mom." Johnny broke down, understandably, on reading this response, hugged his mother, and learnt the value of unconditional love. My dear brothers and sisters, on Mother's Day, that's the essence of the Gospel reading today. It's the mother of all Jesus' commandments. Love one another as I have loved you. Now, Jesus practiced what he preached. His love meant sacrifice of the highest form, and he laid down his life for us. So, what can we lay down? Much as it's agonizing, it's depressing, this pandemic is a chance for all of us to lay down our insensitivity. Just before the lockdown, we tend to stock up on provisions for a fortnight or a month or more. Spare a thought for those who have a hand-to-mouth existence, for those who cannot afford to buy in bulk. Help a family. Donate a COVID kit. Could be essential food items, masks, sanitizers, to the poor or to our maids or to a credible NGO, not for tax exemption, but for our redemption. Lay down our selfishness. So if we manage to get to the line first in the grocery queue, let's not empty the shelves without caring for the others behind. Let's carry a basket for an old person or help them pick up stuff or navigate an online transaction, not for that selfie, but to be selfless. Lay down our anger. If the doorstep delivery agent is a few minutes late, be kind to a fault. Be quick to smile and not scream at him. Say thank you or offer a glass of water or give him good feedback on the app. Because when we lay down these practices, we lay the ground for our own 5-star rating on Judgment Day. Thank you, brothers and sisters, for watching The Word this week. Until then, let God's love be reciprocated, not unrequited.